my lovely, 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 lovelies. Today we are unenveloping. I don't ever know how to say this. Unenveloping, unwrapping, unboxing, something. I don't know. We're doing something with the April Morphe Me subscription. I did receive this on March 27th, so which hopefully I'll get it uploaded today, so it would be today. And I'm super excited to show you guys what's in here. I'm not gonna lie, I did open it up because I wanted to get the value of the brushes, and I also got the little flyer thing. So I'm super excited to show you guys what's in here. So it does come with this little flyer. It says April 2018 Morphe Me Spring Fling. Spring Fling makes me feel like Sock Hop Sadie Hawkins dance. I don't know why it makes me feel that way, but it does. So we're gonna open this. Oh, okay, so just some information on this subscription. It is $19.99 a month. I don't think there might be a waiting list, I'm not certain, but I will leave a link in the description somewhere there down below. If you sign up through my link, you get a free brush, I get a free brush, and then the whole world is happy because we got brushes. And it's $19.99 a month. They do charge tax, so it does end up in California. For me, it was $21.65, I believe. It might differ depending on the taxes in your local area, but that's how much it was for me. And I did receive it actually really fast. This was charged to my my account. I think they charged it on the 22nd. And I received it 5 days later. It was shipped immediately and I received it right away, which I absolutely love. And I received it before April even began because it's the 27th of March. Exciting. So inside it looks like this. So we're gonna go through the brushes and see what's in here. As I open this, I did want to let you guys know it does smell a lot like paint thinner or some kind of chemical in the brushes. Last month they did I think it was one or two of the brushes, I don't remember. It did kind of smell the same way, so I did wash it before I used it just because my skin, you guys know, is really, really sensitive, and I was kind of afraid like if they use chemicals to like treat the brushes beforehand, I was a little nervous, so I did wash them before I used them. This, as soon as I opened the bag, I got a paint, like it smelled, not a paint, it's a scent of like, it smelled like a nail polish remover. That's what it kind of smells like. So you might want to wash them. If you don't, that's fine, but just a tip. And let me say something. Let me just say something. For some reason today, I'm in like this pink kind of mood. I don't know what. I don't normally wear. I like wearing like pink eyeshadow, but today I was like, I'm gonna wear pink eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna wear a pink lipstick, and then I'm gonna wear a pink shirt, and then I'm gonna just go all out in pink. I don't know why I'm feeling this way today. I don't know, but that's why today we have a pink look going on. So let's jump right on in. The first brush, and there's two. Okay, so the first brush is the E11, and this is from their, I did double check the brushes that start with an E, or at least these ones are from the Elite line. Ooh, so fancy. If I can open this up, I would be more than happy to show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like, Morphe E11. I'm sorry about that like shine on the brush. I don't know why my lights are just acting weird, and my eyes are feeling weird. Everything's acting weird. I feel discombobulated. What's going on? What's happening? Who am I? Where am I? I don't know. So here's the E11, and this one, ooh, is where is it? It is an angled brow. Start off your spring fling glam by snatching those brows with this stiff angled brow brush. Then, okay, calm down. So this is the angled brow brush, which is, I can totally see it because I did just actually, I told you guys I'm trying to like learn how to do them eyebrows, right? So I did get the brush from Anastasia, the number 12, and it looks like this, just smaller, like the tip of it is smaller. So I like that I got this because if I ever want to do huge eyebrows, I got a huge brush for some reason. But I like it. I like the precision of this. Look at how thin it is. Look. Ooh, I really do like it. The bristles they're very dense, so it's not like flimsy where it's gonna like, you know, flop to the side if you press it on your skin. I do absolutely love that. This one has a value of $5. So we're starting there. The next brush is the E17, also from the Elite line. And this one is the Crease Precision Blend. It says, create a show-stopping eye look with the Crease Precision Blender. Its tapered point can be used for definition or a soft Oh, okay, this is exactly what I was looking for today. OMG. Okay, as I'm doing my eyeball eyeshadow stuff, I was like, oh, I need a smaller, like here, look, this one. This is the one I was using. I was using the E23, right? I was using that one. This one also came in one of my subscriptions, and I was like, wait, I need something a little bit smaller than this. I want it to look like this. Did you guys see all the powder? Look. I want it to look like this, but I wanted it smaller, and I just didn't have a brush. I should have opened this sooner. Look. Perfect, my darlings. I'm so excited. So E17, this is the Crease Precision. That's the one word I can't say. One of the words I can't say. Precision Blender. This one has a value of $7, so we are now at $12 total. So the next item in here, blah, 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 is the E47, also from the Elite line. And this one says it's a small, flat, angled contour. Festival grounds may be muddy, but... So it looks like this. Look how pretty these are. I'm so sorry about this glare. I don't know what's happening with this light, or I don't know if it's my eyeballs or what's happening there, but this is what it looks like. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. Ooh. So, oh. Wait, I think it has. Okay. This one looks like this other one. Where is it at? Like this one, just in a bigger look. It looks like it's just a bigger. Oh wait, let me show you guys. Look, do you see what I mean? Like it just looks like this one's bigger. The brush is, you know what I mean? Okay, so this one says it's a small, flat, angled contour. Festival grounds may be muddy, but your contour won't be with the small, flat, angled contour brush. Use it to contour your nose, create a sharp cheekbone, and clean up eyeshadow. I love this. Okay, so at first I was like, how do you clean up eyeshadow with this brush? I don't understand. But as I'm sitting here reading it, I'm like, oh, is it to do like, you know when you want to do like a straight up line right here, like to make it like super defined? Is that what it's for? I don't know. Let's take a peek here. I don't know if that's what it's for, but I'm assuming that's what it's when it says to clean up eyeshadow or to contour your nose. The other day I tried to contour my nose. OMG, it looks so funny because I don't know what I'm doing with makeup life, right? And I try to contour it, and I just put like brown contour on either side, and I forgot that I had it there. So I was like out and about, and I happened to pass a mirror. I don't know where I was, but I passed a mirror, and I was like, oh, what did I do? It looked like I just had like brown right here. Horrible. It was a mess. So, word to the wise, do not forget to check to make sure you contoured if you put contour on your face. Okay, so that was brush number 3, and this one is a $9 value. Oh wait, not that one. This one is a $9 value. So we're at 9 plus 12 is 21. So these 3 brushes, boom, you've already earned your money back what you spent on the subscription. Totally love it. There's one more brush that I am super excited for. Okay, ready? Dun, dun, dun. It is the R2. This one is from the Rose Gold line, I believe it is. And I effing love this brush. I've seen it and I was like, I don't know if I want to spend 15 bucks on one brush, because that's what this one is. It's 15 bucks. I can't open it. And I saw it in the thingamabobber today, in this like thingamabobber. OMG, so exciting. I like did cartwheels all the ways down the hallway and jumping jacks. I like jumped off the stair. No, I didn't, but I was so super excited. This brush is freaking soft as heck. I love that it's darker here and then it turns into like this ash kind of color. It feels like, remember I told you guys one time that it feels like you're petting a little kitten, like brrr, brrr. That's exactly what this feels like. You know what? Shout out to, I want to get... DJ, I want to give a shout out to a subscriber that has the greatest name on planet Earth, Chewbacca. I got a message saying Chewbacca has subscribed to your channel. I effing loved it. So, hi. Bye. So this is the R2. This one, like I said, has a value of 15 bucks. So total value for the whole four brushes is a $36 value. So it really is like you paid for 3 and you got this big one free, which I absolutely love that I got this one. I love this subscription. I'm gonna keep getting it. I know I might sound like a broken record, but I'm gonna tell you guys, I love that I get these brushes because I'm telling you, I needed something like this today. I just didn't know what it was. I was like, I need something smaller. I need it. Somebody please help me. But now that I see it, I'm like, and I know what it's for, I'm like, the heavens have opened up. I'm so excited. I want to try it. I want to blend. I don't know what to do. I'm so excited. Who needs blending? I can help because I have a little brush. I might not know what I'm doing, but I can sure just go in there and be like, ba, 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 ba. Anywho, I'm super excited. I love getting brushes because, as I said, I'm a beginner. I'm barely learning all these things. I'm burly. Do people say burly? Because burly, I don't think is the right way to say it. I think it's barely, but I have heard people say burly. Am I saying it wrong or am I saying it right? Things that we will never know. So, get some water on punch. So anywho, look at my new cup. I effing love this Starbucks cup. You know what? Today is a day where I just love everything. I love my brushes. Look at that, like glare. It's, I don't know. Can you guys see it? Look. It's my light. Okay, I'll stop. So anywho, love it. I would definitely recommend getting this subscription, especially if you're new to makeup world where you're not certain what to try, when to try, you know, you feel overwhelmed going to like Sephora or Ulta, you know, and you don't know what to get, or not Sephora, Ulta, any makeup store, and you know, you see millions of products and you're like, what do I need? What do I get? For myself, when I find myself in a situation like that, I just like, boop, I shut down and I leave. I don't buy anything that I need or that I'm looking for because it's overwhelming. With the Morphe subscription, it's very like, here, take these, try it out for this, and there you go. I'm super happy with the subscription. I've never been disappointed yet, knock on wood. I hope I'm not. And also with the Morphe subscription, let's say you already have this brush, right, and you got it in April's thingamabobber, in April subscription, you can trade one brush in for another one. Or if you're like, you know what, I'm just not feeling these brushes, I'm never going to use them, you can trade in all of your brushes for new ones, which I think is a great option. I don't know any other subscription box that does that, so I love Morphe for that as well. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys received your Morphe package yet? Did I just get it? I just got it. I said, did I just get it? I think I did. Yes, I did. I received it today. My hair, it's, you know what, me and my hair decided that we're just gonna be friends for some time and just let it do whatever it wants, just you know. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys spending time with me. Before you guys go, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button somewhere there down below. Also the little bell notification so that you're notified every single time I upload a video, because why would you want to miss out on all this fun? Thanks again for being here, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye.